Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lulu and this is Everything Beauty with Lou. So in today's video, I wanted to give you guys a makeup tutorial. This is actually my first time using M.A.C products. For when I was first starting out with makeup, I would just go to either Walmart, Target, Walgreens, Amazon, wherever you can think of to just get, just regular products. But of course, eventually, as I started to get a little bit better with the way that I put my makeup on, of course, I had to upgrade to, a little bit better products. And I only say that because I've been able to see the difference. I'm not going to name the names of the products that I was using before, but I've been able to see a big difference in the cheaper products versus M.A.C. And one of the big differences that I notice off the bat is that it hides my pores, my blackheads, and even some of my acne a lot better, guys. And the application is so much smoother. It just looks so much better. So again, this is my first time trying M.A.C products. If you guys have tried M.A.C products, please share in the comment section what's your favorite product. I know they have concealers, they have powder concealers, they have everything pretty much that you can think of. I'm going to definitely link below every product that I use. Not everything was M.A.C, but the main things were M.A.C, like my concealer, my foundation, my setting spray, my baking powder. All of those were all from M.A.C. I also wanted to just briefly mention, if you guys like the way that I have my hair styled, I do have a video uploading exactly how I did this. This is a crochet style, and this is actually my first time in a while since I've worn big hair like this and this color. And you guys, I am loving it so much. I think this might be my color. So I don't know, if you guys are interested in seeing how I accomplished this style as well, go to my page and you guys will see that video uploaded. So without further ado, enjoy. So first things first, I'm going to start off with freshly washed face. Off camera, I did put some extra moisturizer on, but as you guys can see, I'm going to be using my M.A.C primer, and oh my gosh, you guys, this primer was such a nice and smooth application. It literally felt like butter going on my face. So now after applying my primer, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my eyebrows, you guys, and I'm using the Ruby Kiss eyebrow pencil, and this is in the color black brown. So I'm just shaping up my eyebrows. The best way to do eyebrows literally is just to follow the tracing already of your eyebrows, and then just try to fill it in as best as possible. I usually use my concealer and my foundation to help me crispen and sharpen up that shape. So that's what you guys see me doing right now. So after I got the shape nice the way I wanted, I saw this YouTuber one time who basically used the end of the brush that she applied the concealer with, and she just put a line in the beginning of the eyebrow and used her spoolie to kind of blend it in. And so that's what you guys see me doing here to give it a natural look. So for my foundation, as you guys can see, I'm going to be using my M.A.C, and I went to, I want to say Macy's it was, and I actually sat down in the chair and I had someone help me, and she did a beautiful job. I mean, if you guys can tell, this foundation, it just blends so perfectly with my skin. I was so happy about that. So after I'm done applying the foundation, I am going to be using my M.A.C concealer. It's in a shade light, and I just put it on the highlights areas of my face, which is under my eyes, on top of my forehead, and the bottom of my chin. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my sponge to go ahead and blend that in perfectly. And of course, what this does is just gives that area where your face is supposed to be highlighted a nice glow. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and use my contour brush, and I got this from e.l.f. and I'm going to use my contour palette. I used the darkest shade to kind of give me a nice little contour contrast, as you guys can see, and it just blended in so perfectly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work that contour shade all around the edges of my face. As you guys can see, I added it on the top of my forehead and around my cheekbones, and that's just to give it that nice dark and blended in shade. And after that, I'm just going to use my setting powder and put it under my eyes. This will make sure that it doesn't get cakey, and it just gives it that airbrush flow. After that, you guys, I go in with my M.A.C setting spray and just mist it all over my face. I am not stingy with this. I do a lot of spraying just to make sure that everything sets beautifully. And as you guys can see, that is exactly what I'm doing. I enjoy that mist coming onto my face like that. And I just kind of use my hands or whatever I have around to kind of blow it, you know, make sure it's nice and dry. So usually when I do my makeup, I do apply eyelashes, but this was a new mascara that I'm trying from M.A.C, so I wanted to see how much of an elongation I can get, if that's even a word. Just wanted to see how long it would make it, and as you guys can see, it made it really long. And alright, so now I'm going to go ahead on and apply my NYX eyeliner, and as you guys can see, I like to pull my eyes back so I can have a nice straight application, and then I go in with my concealer to clean it up. I'm gonna go in with my LA Colors bronzer, and I'm gonna focus that on the tip of my nose, on my chin, the top of my lip, my forehead, and also in the corner of my eyes. And this just gives me a nice little glow look, you guys. It's so beautiful. So I naturally have freckles, so I like to use my eyeliner to recreate them and make them pop a little bit more. And then finally, I apply my Ruby Kiss lip gloss, and this is the finished product, you guys. It is beautiful. I mean, I don't know what kind of vibes I'm getting. I'm getting grown woman, I'm getting African, I'm getting everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And oh, y'all thought I was finished. I'm giving y'all the glasses. Hey. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.